Designs for the World is proud to present Staxbloc, an affordable and quick-to-build construction system for the 21st century designed to mitigate the effects of windstorms and earthquakes. Join us to learn how Staxbloc works and how to use it for your building projects. Regardless of where we live, the world frequently challenges us with overwhelming events like hurricanes, blizzards, tornadoes, and earthquakes. When evacuation to a sanctuary is not an option, we must shelter in place. Traditional concrete construction, like block and mortar or poured concrete, is labor and material intensive to build and often cannot withstand the live structural loads imposed by windstorms and earthquakes. Wouldn't it be excellent for mankind if we had a durable and inexpensive building system that could withstand the wrath of Mother Nature over time? Now there is Staxbloc, the integrated building system that utilizes hollow, interlocking concrete blocks with steel tendons passing through them. The advantage of Staxbloc over traditionally built structures is post-tensioning of walls with the steel tendons. Post-tensioning compresses the concrete in the interlocking blocks and enables the entire structure to withstand greater external load. Post-tension concrete is used in civil structures like bridges and viaducts to safely accommodate the live loads imposed by heavy vehicles and automobile traffic. How strong is Staxbloc, you ask? Let us look at this 1,200 square foot or 111.5 square meter home. By properly tensioning grade 60 steel tendons installed in 1800 psi or 12.5 megapascal concrete blocks, the structure can withstand sustained winds of over 170 miles per hour or 278.5 kilometers per hour. For reference, a hurricane receives a Category 5 rating when sustained winds exceed 157 miles per hour or 253 kilometers per hour. The structure has a built-in allowance of 33% for wind and earthquake loading. Staxbloc has other benefits to consider. The interlocking concrete blocks do not need mortar. After setting the first course on the foundation, the structure is built by stacking blocks. Staxbloc may be used by do-it-yourself builders or by commercial contractors. Time for construction is significantly reduced without the need for mortar for building. The savings in labor and materials result in up to 70% lower cost of construction using Staxbloc. To our understanding, Staxbloc is the first sustainable concrete and steel construction. Buildings may be taken apart instead of being demolished. You may get started with Staxbloc by contacting Designs for the World. We can provide a concrete block machine with custom tooling for producing up to 500 blocks per day. We are able to furnish on-site training for your team anywhere in the world. Designs for the World works globally with developers, architects, and engineers in planning and engineering the structure and roofs of buildings that reflect their design criteria. Staxbloc homes may be built anywhere in the world, including the United States, Asia, Africa, and Europe. Non-governmental organizations may use Staxbloc to build churches, clinics, and schools in remote or underdeveloped locations. Staxbloc is well suited for low environmental impact, self-sustaining, off-the-grid homes and cabins. Emergency management agencies, refugee support organizations, and militaries can utilize the quick-to-build and rapid disassembly features of Staxbloc for temporary to permanent housing. Thanks for joining us. We look forward to hearing from you and your team to get underway on your Staxbloc projects.